How to delete phone number from Bank of America account. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to log into your account. So open any of the browser, then type in bankofamerica.com and search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of Bank of America. Then log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. This is usually located in the top menu or sidebar of the website. Look for the option to update your contact information within your profile settings and click on it. Find the number you want to remove and select the option to delete or remove it. Confirm your decision to delete the phone number. The system may ask you to confirm your choice. For security purposes, you may need to verify the changes. This could involve receiving a verification code via a text message or email. Enter the verification code to confirm the changes. Then save your changes and you are all set. And that's how you remove a phone number from your Bank of America account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact Bank of America customer service. Well, this way you can easily delete phone number from Bank of America. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.